Okay, so here's problem number 21, A and B. So we have to find the values of the variables in each diagram. It's important to make sure that when you're doing these math problems that you pay attention to the directions. So we're being told to figure out what x is and what y is. So this goes back to what you learned about parallel lines that are cut by transversals. So these two line segments are parallel. The transversal is there. It may be helpful if you try to redraw the shape with the parallel lines being horizontal and transversal going from top to bottom. And then 70 goes here, 70 there, goes there, and then that's y. Maybe if you redraw it like this, you'll be able to see that 70 and x are supplementary. So 70 degrees plus the measurement of angle x, or plus x, equals 108. If I were doing this equation, I wouldn't put the x there, or the degree there. So what does x equal? X equals 110, and then we're done with that one. So we can solve that just by knowing that the two angles are supplementary. We can figure out what y is by knowing that if you have parallel lines that are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are congruent. So this angle and this angle, they're in the same position on their respective lines. Therefore, they're congruent because these lines are parallel. So y is equal to 100, and I am done with A. Okay, with B, to figure out what x is, you need to understand that these two line segments are vertical, and what's true about all vertical angles? They're congruent. So x is equal to 115 degrees, and we're done with x. And we can figure out what y is because y and x have what relationship? Your choices are going to be their alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding, same side interior angles, or vertical. So what are they? Corresponding. Good. So y is 115, and we're done with 21A and B.